Apple's MagSafe Wallet now works with Find My. I'm going to show you how it works. Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here, and you can find me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. And Apple just updated its leather wallet alongside the launch of the iPhone 13. And while on the outside it looks pretty darn similar, it holds at least one new trick up its sleeve. So here it is, Apple's brand new leather, this is Apple's brand new leather wallet. And quite honestly, it looks identical to the existing leather wallet, except for the fact that it now works with Find My and comes in a few new colors. We have the Sequoia green one, which matches Apple's new Sequoia green leather link band, as well as its leather cases. Everything else about the wallet is the same. It still holds 2 to 3 cards, Apple says, though it really will only hold 3 if they're all flat cards, like Apple Card, and doesn't have any raised numbers on it. If you have raised numbers on your credit cards, it makes it a lot harder to fit 3 of them in such a slim design. So typically, for most people, it's going to hold 2 cards in here. That still hasn't changed. On the back, there is that little slot that you can use to push your credit cards in and out, which makes it a little bit more difficult when you're going to pay for something because you have to remove the wallet from your phone, then slide out your card, pay, and then put it back into your wallet. One of the first things that I wanted to know about the new leather wallet was if it felt any stronger magnetically than the prior generation. There were some people that complained of them knocking their leather MagSafe wallet off of their phone when they did basic things like slide it into their pocket. Personally, this was not a problem, but I still wanted to see if Apple had addressed this with the 2nd generation model. And this isn't very scientific, but at least anecdotally, this feels like it has the same magnet pull as that 1st generation. I don't really notice any additional strength from the magnets compared to that 1st generation. It does feel slightly heavier, which I don't know is from the magnets or from any other changes, but otherwise, these guys are pretty much the same. I wish I'd felt a little bit more of a stronger pull here, but it really does seem like the same magnetic strength as the 1st generation unit. So how does Find My support work with the new Apple MagSafe wallet? Well, the first time that you place your MagSafe wallet on your phone, as long as you're running iOS 15 or later, you'll see a new card pop up on the screen. Same as if you were pairing an AirTag or a set of AirPods. It'll pop up and animate showing the wallet and allow you to add it to the Find My app. When in the Find My app, you can see the current location, which is on your phone, wherever your phone is. Then you'll also be able to change a few settings. Apple gives you the options to turn notifications on or off whenever it is detached from your phone. And then you can also opt to show a phone number when somebody else puts your wallet on their device. So say I lost my MagSafe wallet at the store, somebody else picked it up, they thought it was neat, they stuck it on the back of their phone, they would get an alert letting them know this is my wallet and showing my phone number, and they'd be able to contact me. Of course, we're really relying on people doing the right thing in that situation. The notifications are also pretty cool. It doesn't just give you a notification when it comes off your phone, it still gives you a subtle vibration using the Taptic engine, but the alert doesn't appear right away. The alert will only appear if the wallet is removed from your phone for more than a minute. The idea being is if you're at a restaurant or a store and you go to pay, you pull it off, you do your transaction, and you put it back on, it's going to take less than a minute to do, and the wallet will be back on your phone. If it comes off and it's been more than a minute, that is when you're going to get a notification that the wallet was removed from your phone, and it'll give you the last known location of where your wallet was seen. You'll get that notification on your phone as well as on your Apple Watch if you have one. But unfortunately, that's where the Find My integration ends. Unlike AirTag, where you can continuously track the device, if my keys are in my couch, I'm able to get a signal and track down where my keys are. You can't do that with the Apple Wallet. If you lose this somewhere, it's going to tell you where you lost it, but it'll give you no other way to track this down. I won't be able to find it with Bluetooth or the U1 chip. It just shows that last location where it disconnected from your phone. Beyond that, there is no Find My capabilities to the Apple MagSafe wallet. It is a bit of a bummer, and internally at appleInsider, we were really hoping to see more. We were hoping that we'd see AirTag-like functionality, where we'd be able to track this around a room. But it seems Apple just hasn't found a proper way to incorporate a battery while keeping the Apple Wallet so slim. It's something that a third party could do because Apple has opened up the Find My program to third-party companies. So we could see third-party MagSafe wallets coming down the line, but at least from Apple, the Find My capabilities here are a little bit limiting. Still, it is a step up, and I am glad to see there are at least some changes year over year from the first generation wallet to the second generation wallet. This kind of functionality should have been in the first model, and I'm bummed that Apple didn't do it because these wallets aren't cheap to begin with. So if you bought a MagSafe wallet last year, it cannot do this. You have to buy the second generation unit just to get a notification when it leaves your wallet and to pinpoint that last known location. It's not a lot of functionality, but it's at least a small step forward. Let me know what you guys think over on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. If you want to grab your own updated MagSafe wallet from Apple, there's a link down below in the description so you can grab yours. Otherwise, stay tuned. We got a whole lot more videos coming your way.